position is a sports music and dance training studio. We thought about it and we decided na other families also want something like this. So, mahilig sila sa sports, mahilig sila tumugtog ng instruments nila, and then they also dance. Like we also have Zumba here, ballroom, hip-hop, and then music lessons naman, piano, violin, voice, guitar. And then for sports, we have karate and fencing. It's very important to get kids started early kasi it helps them to build self-confidence, it teaches them discipline, tapos it helps them to conquer their fears and believe na they can accomplish other things.
Ito sa training station, bukod sa fencing, dancing, music, meron pa tayo iba-ibang matutunan sports dito. Karate. Yun ang aralin natin karate. Grabe, no? Ano po yung karate?
It's a Japanese martial arts na ginagamit natin yung kamay, paa, for kick, strike. Basically, it's for self-defense. Siguro, bago kayo magsimula, mag-bis muna lang.
Bis muna tayo.
Yeah.
That's it. Sir, tama po ba kanyan, ribbon? Hindi ribbon.
Hindi ah.
Hindi kasi ako sa ribbon eh. Oo. Sir, paano yun? Ito, ano ba mo, baby? Noah. Yung sa television, Papa P, Noah. Yung ano, paano siya naging brown? Ako puti pa lang, matanda ako sa kanya eh.
Pero matagal na siya nagkakarate.
Sobrang galing siya. Ilan months ka na, Noah?
3 years.
3 years? 3 years?
3 years na siya.
Ilan taon ka ka 3 years? 10? 10. Kasi pa. Wow!
Sinabi mo eh. Masunuring bata.
Mabait na bata.
Yan ka kay Noah.
Mabait na bata. Mukha si Paulet ha? Nakid eh. Basic na tayo.
Alright. Basics. So, again.
Ito na.
Okay. Punch. Right. And then, withdraw.
Withdraw.
Yes.
Pera. Wow!
Okay, stop.
Stop.
First 2 knuckles. Okay?
Yan,
So,
dalawa.
kailangan first 2. Kasi kung for last 3 yung tumama, pag tama nito, masisira yung wrist.
Point 2.
So, keep your wrist straight, first 2 knuckles.
Point 2.
Okay, and then twist sa dulo. Okay? So, you know how to punch.
Yeah.
Okay? So, ngayon, we have to practice your block. Di ba ang suntok natin galing sa hip, again, from here? Ngayon, you go diagonally across your chest. Okay, and then twist.
Ooh!
So yung kick, you start with knee up.
Knee up.
Yung foot, bring it beside your knee. And then, so from here, snap, go back, and land. Drop. Next gagawin nyo, rising block, and then punch. Okay? Like this.
Whoa!
Relax. Block with your left, punch with your right. Okay? Hey, again. Let's go.
Okay, next.
Your turn.
Ay, tiktak po ako.
I won't miss.
Kahit alin di sa picture ha.
Okay. Come closer.
Hindi pa. Parang gigil ka sa akin ha.
Hindi mo.
Ayan.
Again. You have to punch this after. Try to attack, and then try to block. Okay, fighting stance. Okay, start. Kasama yun. Intimidation. Ready? Hit it. Okay. Start.
taekwondo, karate. Pero nakakaaliw din sa karate para sa self-distance. Kung naramdaman mo, guwapo ka, maganda ka, kailangan makaraga ng karate, baka, di ba? Di basta ano, nag-enjoy ako today kasi hindi ko pa-experience ng fencing tsaka karate today. So, sobrang na-enjoy. Tsaka nakakaaliw mga teacher natin na yun, yung coach, di ba? Yung sila fencing. Tsaka yung mga bata, ang cute, pero ang galing. Wala kasi yung mga bata. So ito na, kakaiba experience. Kasi madami ako natutunan sa karate. Kaya meron ako regalo sa inyo. Sports bar para sa mga bata. Yay! Konyo!
Yeah, you need that.
Coach, yo.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Meron kayo sports bar. Isa sa mga pinupuntahang lugar sa Pasig City ay ang Art Abilon Zoo. Ito ang una at nag-iisang interactive indoor zoo sa bansa. Malano